Imagine a car that doesn't just roar, it screams history and power at the same time. This is the 2026 Shelby Cobra for 27, a machine that looks like it broke free from the 60s, but came back armed with 21st century technology. I'm your host from CarQuest Pro, and today, you're about to feel the pulse of pure American muscle like never before. The design? Aggressive yet timeless. Those wide hips, muscular fenders, and the signature racing stripe cutting straight through its soul make it instantly recognizable. But look closer, carbon fiber elements wrap the body, the diffuser looks like it belongs on a Le Mans prototype, and the quad exhaust plus massive central pipes are a warning to anyone daring to challenge it. Under the hood, the legend lives, a hand-built 7.0-liter V8 pushing a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower, capable of launching this beast from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. Top speed? Over 200 miles per hour, but trust me, the real thrill is how it feels getting there. Raw, violent, and absolutely addictive. The engine's roar isn't just sound, it's history echoing through every gear shift. Inside, it's a driver's dream, racing seats, minimal distractions, and every control built for speed. Modern tech is here, but subtly hidden, so the Cobra still feels like the untamed predator it was born to be. And the price? Starting around $150,000, this isn't just a car, it's a ticket into an elite club of pure adrenaline chasers. But here's the twist, production numbers are limited, meaning the moment it's gone for good. So, is the 2026 Shelby Cobra for 27 the greatest fusion of classic soul and modern performance ever built? Well, when you hear that V8 growl, you might not even care about the answer.